Well, you're probably all familiar with this by now. This is the Potensic Atom 2, and I haven't used it yet, but I have charged up the batteries and charged up the controller. Let's have a look at the stuff that's in here. Right, first of all, you get all of the stuff that came with the Atom 1. You've got the guide, quick start guides, you've got stickers, Potensic stickers, Atom stickers, and the little, I like that little drawn one. So anyway, that's that. And in this accessories bag here, this comes with you've got two different connections for one for Apple iOS and one for Android. That's okay. Now it also comes with the USB-C to USB-A, so that is for if you've got the block charging with your batteries, you can plug into that. And same, anybody has the Atom, the original Atom 1, we'll call it from now on, it has the same system. I mean, they're exactly the same. The batteries are interchangeable, and as are these here. So I didn't actually use these for charging. I used like there's a 60-watt charger there, which comes with this, and it also comes with the original Atom, so Atom 1. Yeah, so you get the 60-watt charger, you get the charging block. So it comes with two batteries in that, and one in the machine, one in the drone. So that is exactly the same. I mean, the numbers and everything the same. The layout's slightly different on the label, but it gives the same information. So the batteries, which I can't read there, but they are the 270s. I can't see it actually, so I'm not going to bother even trying. I'm not going to go and look for my glasses. Yeah. So that comes within the combo pack. So anybody that has the combo pack from the original will have the same stuff. I'm not sure now about the I'm not sure about this. Just my cover for my table is starting to take flight. Yeah, so yeah, what else? Oh, sorry, yes. So the propellers are slightly different. I think again these are interchangeable, because the two drones are virtually identical, apart from a couple of little features. Well, apart from one's got a half-inch sensor on the camera, and the other one's got a 1/3 sensor. So a much better sensor. Not fantastic, but much better. So you get so there's a full set of spare propellers. So there's a set comes on it, and then you've got a full spare set, so back and front. So they're always handy to have. My original one, I haven't actually used it. I used one propeller because I had a bit of a mishap into a tree branch, and it broke. Again, there's no there's there's no sensors in the back, the front, the sides. Well, the front's obviously got a camera, but I mean, you've got the underneath ones for landing and that. But yeah, so you get a little screwdriver. It almost looks like a little phase tester, doesn't it? There's a little light in that, probably could test for current. So yeah, that comes with that. And oh, sorry, my mistake. You actually get 2 sets. So you got 2 full sets of propellers, which if you're not flying like an idiot, they should last you a long time. So I'm quite pleased with the additional accessories that it comes with. Now the price is, for me, it's absolutely brilliant. Right. Where you're going to get a drone that does all this, what this can do, and it also comes with all the extras. I mean, the new controller is brilliant. I love it. Just looking at it, I love it. And I like the way the setup is. At the back, you have the connection for your phone or your tablet, whatever you're going to use. So that goes in there, and then you've got a little place to keep the cable from running about all over the place. And then you can, when you've got your phone on, your phone goes in there and it sits in there out of the way, and you have your screen and full access to your controls. So this now doesn't have the single dual aerials. It has just a single aerial or antenna if you're in or receiver, transmitter, whatever it is. So this is a new feature. Obviously you can see that for yourself, and it actually gives a wider area. Now, is it going to be better? Who knows? But once you're pointing the face of it directly at the drone, you shouldn't have any problems, because you have a larger area. So I see a lot of people where they're actually with the antennas up, they're actually pointing them directly at it like that, rather than the full flat side is where you should be. That's where all your contact with the drone is going to be wirelessly. So that's a big face here. So you shouldn't have any problem. It should actually be better than the original controller. And I really liked the original controller, and the FIMI controller. But this one now, both sides actually open. So I mean, it'd take probably the biggest iPhone or Android phone. Now, anything 6.5 inches, I think might be okay. Now, my 7-inch Android tablet, Samsung tablet, doesn't fit, so I have to have an adapter for it. But that's a minor thing, because I use that adapter for some of my DJI drones, although most of the time I just use the RC2 controller for everything. I've got 2 RC2 controllers. So here is the bad boy here now. So let's have a look at this. Now this has very little difference. Very little. I can see exactly the same. Exactly the same as the one. The only difference is you've got different colour propellers. Where on the one, I think it's grey. The tips are grey, and here on the body it actually says Potensic, where this one just has a P, which is good. So the other difference is obviously the camera. So we've got a much better camera. So you 4K 30 frames per second, and you've got on the 4K you've got 2 times digital zoom. Now on the 2.7K, I think it is, I think you've got up to 4 times digital zoom, which I've seen some online. Actually, I haven't even flown this yet, so I can't tell you for sure what everything is. But I will be doing a flight with this and the original Atom. But they look exactly the same. I mean, the Atom 2, let me just get the Atom 1 and put this away. I did see a thing, I seen it on I think it is Kevin Roberts. We're the Roberts, I think it's called, but he's got a nice friendly channel, and it's family friendly, I should say, family friendly channel, and he does a lot of reviews of the mini killers, as he calls them, or to you and me, just cheap drones. But he does have he puts names on his drones. So there you are. And he has the I think he has the Mini 4 Pro. I think he has the Mini 2, which is now the DJI 4K, isn't it? So yeah, so his channel, to give a tip about if you take out the foam, the protection in the bag, and you turn it around to the other side, you can leave the controllers on. You don't have to take them off. I said that is exactly the same as was packed with the 2. So you can have them interchangeable. You can charge on any of them. That's the original Atom. As you can see, it just opens on one side. So it opens possibly nearly as far as the double one does. The same with these. That's where you should be aiming towards the drone, the flat part of these. I see people doing this, and that's no good, because that's, you know what I mean, you need that. So back to this is virtually a twin to that, but as you can see, the propellers are different. Here you have Potensic, and here you have a P. But I don't know, are they slightly different colour? This is a bit darker grey. This is a lighter type of grey. But I mean, other than that, there's a slight difference in the vents underneath for cooling vents. Here you've got you've got the holes in here. You've got holes there, but you've got more of a grid pattern there. Yeah, so that's it. I mean, that's it. There's not a lot to say now until we go and fly it. So the next time you see this, it'll be flying. Okay, that's enough for now. Thank you.